Some kitchen tools come and go, but a great seasoned cast iron skillet becomes part of your cooking story for years, even generations. It's more than just cookware. It's a trusted companion that improves with every meal. In today's video, we're exploring the best seasoned cast iron skillet options that deliver exceptional durability, superior heat retention, and unforgettable cooking performance for every kitchen. There are many seasoned cast iron skillet to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the seasoned cast iron skillet from top brands. This product can really help people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. The large seasoned cast iron skillet 12 inches is a timeless kitchen essential designed to deliver exceptional cooking performance for generations. Crafted in the USA from durable cast iron, this versatile skillet excels at searing, sautéing, frying, baking, roasting, and even campfire cooking, making it a dependable tool for everyday meals and special recipes alike. Pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, it provides a naturally non-stick cooking surface that improves with regular use while remaining completely PFAS-free for healthier cooking. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures superior heat retention and even heat distribution, allowing food to cook consistently and develop rich flavors with every use. The skillet also includes a convenient silicone heat-resistant handle holder that enhances comfort and safety when handling hot cookware, while the teardrop handle design offers improved control and easy lifting. Customers praise its outstanding durability, excellent cooking results, and long-lasting value, often noting that the skillet performs better over time as the seasoning continues to build. Many users appreciate the included silicone grip, which makes maneuvering the pan much easier during cooking. While some find the skillet heavier than standard cookware and non-stick performance may vary depending on seasoning and care, proper maintenance rewards users with a highly reliable cooking surface. Built to last for decades, this large skillet is an outstanding investment for home cooks seeking professional quality results and unmatched versatility. Number 2. The Stargazer 12-inch cast iron skillet is a premium piece of American-made cookware designed for home chefs who value exceptional craftsmanship, performance, and durability. Individually crafted and meticulously polished in the USA, this skillet features a flawlessly machined smooth cooking surface that helps minimize food sticking while promoting effortless cooking and easier cleanup. Pre-seasoned and ready to use, it excels at a wide variety of cooking tasks, including frying eggs, searing steaks, baking cornbread, roasting vegetables, making pizza, and preparing hearty breakfasts with perfectly crisp bacon. Its high-quality cast iron construction provides outstanding heat retention and even heat distribution, ensuring consistent cooking results on stovetops, induction cooktops, ovens, grills, and campfires. A standout feature is the innovative Stay Cool handle, engineered to remain cooler longer than traditional cast iron handles, improving comfort and control during use. The skillet also incorporates a unique drip-free flared rim that allows smooth, precise pouring from any angle without the mess associated with conventional pour spouts. Made from pure iron without toxic coating or synthetic materials, this skillet is built to last for generations and develops even better seasoning over time. Backed by a lifetime warranty, Stargazer stands behind its craftsmanship with repair or replacement coverage for manufacturing defects. Combining modern design, timeless durability, and professional-grade performance, this 12-inch cast iron skillet is an outstanding investment for serious cooks. Number 3. The Utopia Kitchen Premium Cast Iron Skillets 3-piece set is a versatile and value-packed cookware collection designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks with ease. Featuring 3 different skillet sizes, this set provides the flexibility needed for everything from preparing single servings and side dishes to cooking complete family meals. Crafted from durable cast iron, each skillet delivers superior heat retention and even heat distribution, helping achieve consistent cooking results whether you're searing meats, sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, baking cornbread, or roasting in the oven. The skillets come pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, allowing users to start cooking right away while gradually developing an even better natural non-stick surface over time. Designed for maximum versatility, these pans can be used on stovetops, ovens, grills, and campfires, making them ideal for both indoor kitchens and outdoor cooking adventures. Easy grip ergonomic handles provide secure control and comfortable handling, even when using oven mitts. Customers appreciate the excellent value, practical size variety, and reliable cooking performance, with many noting that the large skillet is perfect for everyday use while the smaller sizes are ideal for individual portions. Although opinions vary regarding weight, cleaning, and non-stick performance, proper seasoning and care help maximize results. With classic cast iron durability, multipurpose functionality, and outstanding affordability, this 3-piece skillet set is a smart addition to any kitchen. Number 4. This cast iron skillet stands out as a premium choice for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts who demand exceptional performance, durability, and thoughtful design. Compared with many well-known cast iron brands, this skillet delivers a noticeably lighter feel without sacrificing strength, making it easier to handle during everyday cooking. Its expertly crafted construction provides outstanding heat retention and even heat distribution, helping you achieve consistently delicious results whether you are searing steaks, frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, baking cornbread, or preparing one-pan meals. The factory-applied seasoning creates an impressive naturally non-stick cooking surface right out of the box, allowing food to be released more easily while enhancing flavor over time. Users especially appreciate the ergonomic handle design, which offers a comfortable and secure grip for better control when moving the skillet from stovetop to oven or serving table. Cleanup is simple and hassle-free, making it an excellent option for busy kitchens. Built to withstand years of regular use, this skillet is designed to become a trusted cooking companion that improves with every meal prepared. Its combination of lightweight handling, superior seasoning, reliable cooking performance, and premium craftsmanship makes it a standout investment for anyone seeking a high-quality cast iron skillet that delivers professional-level results and long-lasting value in every cooking experience. Number 5. The large round seasoned cast iron Comal griddle is a versatile and dependable cooking essential designed to bring authentic flavor and exceptional performance to every meal. Naturally pre-seasoned and ready to use right out of the box, this round-shaped cast iron griddle is ideal for preparing tortillas, pancakes, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, flatbreads, and countless other favorites. Crafted from durable cast iron, it delivers outstanding heat retention and even heat distribution across the cooking surface, helping reduce hot spots while ensuring consistent cooking results every time. Its sturdy construction makes it suitable for use on stovetops, ovens, grills, camp stoves, and outdoor cooking setups, offering unmatched flexibility for both indoor and outdoor meal preparation. Made with only iron and oil, the griddle provides a naturally non-toxic cooking surface free from PFOA, PTFE, and PFAS, making it a healthier cookware choice for everyday use. Customers appreciate its excellent build quality, reliable performance, and great value for money. Many report that pancakes, eggs, and other foods are released easily with a light coating of oil or butter, while the cooking surface continues to improve with regular use and proper seasoning. Easy to maintain and built to last for generations, this large cast iron Comal griddle combines traditional craftsmanship, durability, and cooking versatility, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen or outdoor cooking collection. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product's price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.